I grew up in Jamaica, where the land was always full. Mango trees in the yard, yam ground in the back, a key dropping every morning like clockwork. Food was never something we worried about. Jamaica was blessed. The soil was rich. The people were fed. Then Hurricane Melissa came, October 2025, Category 5, 185-mile-per-hour winds ripping through the island, through our farms, our crops, our food basket parishes, the southwestern parishes that feed the entire island. Devastated. Gone. Just like that. And now we're living with the consequences. A key, Jamaica's national dish, the thing we wake up every morning craving, gone from the shelves. When you do find a tin, it's selling for prices that will make your eye water. Scotch bonnet pepper, callaloo, yam, all gone or priced so high that ordinary Jamaicans are standing in the supermarket doing math they never thought they'd have to do just to buy groceries. 42%. That's how many people across the Caribbean are dealing with moderate to severe food insecurity right now. And Jamaica is right in the middle of that number. People skipping meals. Parents going to bed hungry so their children can eat. Families choosing between food and bills are winning. I remember a time when a Jamaican could walk out into their yard and find something to eat. When neighbors shared what they had. When the ground provided. Now the ground is recovering. The trees that took decades to grow were knocked down in one night. And we're all sitting here wondering, how long before things get back to normal? How long before our plates are full again? The government has a plan, a 10-year food security blueprint. 10 years. Meanwhile, people are hungry today, right now, this week. Jamaica is a paradise to the world. White sand beaches, crystal blue water, reggae music, jerk chicken. That's what they see from the outside. But inside, too many Jamaicans are fighting a quiet battle every single day just to put food on the table. And that battle, it just got a whole lot harder.